Welcome back. I am making another do-it-yourself video on how to make another cocktail since we are all trapped inside our houses with our families. No better place to be. 2, 1. Oh, and so tonight's cocktail, I figured since it's a classic, I should wear a classic outfit, which is this hat. And I feel pretty classic. So I'm going to teach you how to make an old fashioned. You may not have everything you need in the house, but an old fashioned simply was just the spirit. Hopefully you have a spirit of bourbon or rye, but you could even use like a mezcal tequila or rum. But an old fashioned something simply means to apply sugar, bitters, with the spirit, and then zest of orange and a cherry. I don't have a cherry tonight because I don't need cherries because my wife's a cherry herself. So I am just going to start with some stuff I found in my cabinet and we're going to make this together. So I am going to use brown sugar, not because it's not February or because I'm brown. It's because it's the only sugar I had that I really wanted to work with, and because Thanksgiving has lasted for 38 years of my life and there's so much leftover brown sugar around, what a better way to get rid of it than to get shit faced. So we are going to take like a pinch of this brown sugar. I don't know, like a gram's worth. I don't know if you cocaine users. And then I'm just gonna, sprinkle that in a glass. Because I wanted to have some flavor in the orange zest, which I'll do at the end, but I cut off just the edge of this orange. I'm just gonna express a little bit of the juice in there before I apply this bitters. I happen to have all kinds of bitters in my house because I'm a pimp, but only pimps wear fedoras. And if you don't have a bitters, you could apply anything, but just a small amount, just to add a flavor you might like. Even a balsamic might work. But I'm going to use this Earl Grey bitters, and I'm only going to use 3 drops of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can't count of those things. Now, in the glass, you're going to take your muddle or a hard finger or something, but you need to mix these ingredients together just to get them blended before you add your spirit. And you finish this cocktail off. And by the way, we are almost finished. That's the best part about drinking. Always keep that clean. At this point, I'm going to add my cube because it's very necessary. You don't want to add the cube after because you splash the liquor everywhere, and then your customer will be like, hey man, I'm not paying for you to spill drinks everywhere. And I'm like, sir, I ain't come to work for all your attitude. And that's just how life works, man. You can drink it and I can pour some more liquor in your cup. Sorry, let me get back to just this how-to video, but it's part of my real life. So now I'm going to apply this. You're going to do 3 ounces of this on top of what we've already emulsified. Now granted, it's already at the bottom of the glass, so I'm just going to, and I know that's 3 ounces. You could try to count and do some time delay later, but you still got to mix it because the ingredients is underneath that ice cube. So I'm taking this simple stir, shameless promo, and then I'm just gonna mix that up a wee bit. And now I need to cut this orange zest. I'm taking a sharp knife and I just squeeze the outside so that the oil is sprayed inside this glass, and then I'm just going to rub this on the outside of the glass for flavor. Give it another nice stir. Sip and enjoy. Iggity, iggity, boom, boom, snaggity.